A prosecutor's new push to protect children. Too many kids are dying from accidents the Wayne County prosecutor says could have been prevented. Kim Worthy is outraged, and today she is slapping people with serious charges. Right now, 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig is live in Dearborn with this developing story. Kim, what is the prosecutor doing about this?
Well, Joanne, Kim Worthy is charging these adults with involuntary manslaughter and other crimes. And in one case where a woman was arraigned here this afternoon, we're told she's a mother who was at a hotel pool party for her own daughter when someone else's child died.
Shanika has no comment.
28-year-old Shanika Gardner is accused of being so negligent when caring for a little boy who was deaf and mute that he drowned. And today, Gardner is just one of 6 adults charged in connection with the death of a child.
The children that are dead in these cases are just as dead as if they had been shot by a bullet or battered to death.
Today, Wayne County prosecutor Kim Worthy announced the charges in the separate cases that include this Westland woman. She's Cassie Lynn Loretz, accused of being high on 7 different types of prescription drugs when she left her baby at home alone. The baby stopped breathing and died. In another case, prosecutors say this Dearborn Heights mother and father were negligent with how they put their premature baby to bed with a blanket, medical equipment, and a pillow.
35 babies or more have died in Wayne County each year over the last 10 years. That's a minimum of 350 babies that would be alive today if proper safe sleep practices were practiced.
Then there's the case of Eleanor Crosby, who was allegedly drunk when she put her baby to bed in a way that investigators say led to the child's death.
Count 1 is referred to as homicide or manslaughter.
As for Shanika Gardner, who was arraigned on involuntary manslaughter and child abuse today, investigators say in October she and this woman, Wilma Gisenter, were at a hotel in Dearborn where they were supposed to be watching 15 children, including little Javion Rucker Todd. But police say the 2 women were drinking, and Javion, who could not hear or speak, drowned.
Ms. Gardner has cooperated with the investigation to this point, has maintained a line of communication. She herself is a mother of 2, lives with her mother in the city of Detroit.
Were you drinking?
Leaving very young babies and children in unsafe sleep situations or unsupervised in swimming pools, hotels, houses, and cars can result in dead children and criminal charges.
And one woman was charged today in connection with leaving a child in a hot car back in June. We're told the windows were also closed, but thankfully that child survived because a passerby thankfully notified police. Reporting live in Dearborn, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News. Joanne, back to you.
Kim, sadly, we cover too many of these tragic cases of children dying. Do you get the idea that we could be seeing more criminal charges coming against adults who were supposed to be watching these kids when they died?
And that's the plan right now. Kim Worthy says, their budget is tight and their lawyer manpower is low, but they will be going after these people in these cases where they say that children's deaths could have and should have been prevented. Back to you.
I hope it gets some parents thinking. Kim, thank you.